Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications when the new video is uploaded. Welcome back guys, let's see how to make sweet potato chips. Peel the sweet potatoes. Now finely slice it using a slicer. Immediately after slicing, transfer it into a bowl of water so that there is no discoloration. Now add half to 1 teaspoon of salt as required to the water and soak it for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash it well and spread it over a tissue so that the moisture is well absorbed. Heat a kadai, pour oil to it. Check if the oil is hot by adding one piece into it. Make sure you add one slice at a time so that it doesn't stick over. I fed my guest with some sweet potatoes. Cook until the spluttering sound stops and it turns light brown. It's the right time to take the chips out. Spread over a tissue so that the oil is absorbed. You can add some flavors to the chips if you want, like paprika powder, chaat masala, amchur powder, etc. Hope you like this evening snacks. Bye, stay tuned.